Caribbean Gateway. Every Wednesday at 9:30 live on Ben TV or Sky 182. Merry Christmas from the Caribbean Gateway crew. I want to say Merry Christmas and a Happy New Year when it comes, guys. Hopefully you have a wonderful time. Remember, Chef Ricardo have a lot of top recipe which is going to come out for you even for the new year. Well, I want to say, remember the cooking book is coming out also soon. Coming up very soon, we have something which we want to share with you guys. I want you to listen very carefully. Coming up very soon, I'm going to tell you what's going to be happening. I want to say, remember tomorrow night at 9:30 live in the studio with Chef Ricardo cooking program and bentv.com or Sky 182 live in the studio with Chef Ricardo cooking your favorite food. And I always remember to say to you guys, if you got business, if you want to establish yourself, if you want to advertise at Caribbean Gateway, if you want to advertise on the program, we are there for you. We are there for you. We are there for you. All you need to do is to tune in every Wednesday at 9:30 on Caribbean Gateway, live on the TV with Chef Ricardo, and listen and get some more information to advertise yourself, and other people can know what you're doing. Remember, as I said, if you got any kind of business you want to run, we are running our, I don't know what kind of business you do, so if you want to establish yourself, establish yourself, remember, we are here for you. Caribbean Gateway, your way, my way, and everyone's way. We are there to help you make you get yourself established all over the world. Chef Ricardo, live, tomorrow night, 9:30 on bentv.com and Sky 182. iPhone, Mac, iMac, tablet, wherever you have any kind of device, tune in at 9:30 tomorrow night. One love, happy Merry Christmas, Happy New Year when it comes from Caribbean Gateway crew. Thank you very much. Bye bye.